All right, everybody, welcome to level 7 of lesson 5. As you can see, it is purple, which means that I will be reading the directions. I might give you a tip or two. We will look at the rubric, and then I'm going to let you do this because what good of an assessment would it be if I gave you the answer? All right, so it says using variables. This program currently draws a face, but the eyes are two different sizes. Change the program to use the variable for the size of both eyes and run the code to make sure both eyes are drawn at the same size. Do this. Run the program to see how it works. All right, we can do that. So reset, run. All right, there we go. We can see what it looks like. And then number 2 says change the program to use the eye size variable. Run the program with different values for eye size and choose your favorite size. All right, so that's all you. You guys are going to do that. But let's go look at the rubric and see what gets you guys an A+. plus. So let's start at the bottom. No evidence. There are no changes to the code or the changes appear unrelated to variables. Are used in a way that prevents the program from running. So if the program doesn't run, if it doesn't look like you've changed anything, no evidence. Okay, so we're going to close that because you guys are going to do better than that. I have faith. This one says limited evidence. The eye size variable has been used somewhere in the program, but not such that it runs as instructed. So if you did not do what you were supposed to do, but at least you put the variable in there somewhere, you get, limited evidence. Convincing evidence. The eye size variable is used such that the two eyes have the same size as defined by eye size. Other changes to the code may have introduced other unexpected behaviors, or there may be minor syntax errors that do not prevent the code from running. So this is going to get you most of the points. All right. And then last but not least, we have the one you should be shooting for, the A plus. Extensive evidence. The eye size variable is used such that the two eyes have the same size as defined by eye size with no other unexpected changes. The program is free of syntax errors. All right, so if you've done that, then you get your A100 and give yourself a pat on the back. With that, I'm going to let you guys play and I will see you on level 8. Good luck.